Introduction. Understanding essential nutrients is foundational to developing healthy eating habits and ensuring our bodies function properly. This module will cover the 6 essential nutrients, their roles in the body, and how to incorporate them into your daily diet. By the end of the module, you will be able to make informed decisions about your nutritional intake. What are essential nutrients? Essential nutrients are compounds the body can't make or can't make in sufficient quantity. These nutrients must be obtained through the diet. There are 6 essential nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. They are found in foods such as bread, rice, pasta, and fruits. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is used by the body's cells for energy. There are 2 types of carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates, found in foods like fruits, milk, and sugar, are quickly absorbed and provide a rapid source of energy. Complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains, vegetables, and legumes, take longer to digest and provide a sustained source of energy. Examples of healthy carbohydrates include whole grain bread, brown rice, oatmeal, sweet potatoes, and quinoa. Examples of healthy carbohydrates: whole grain bread, brown rice, oatmeal, sweet potatoes, quinoa. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. They are the building blocks of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids. Examples include meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. Incomplete proteins, on the other hand, lack 1 or more of the essential amino acids. Examples of these include most plant-based sources like beans and nuts. Let's talk about examples of healthy protein sources. These include lean meats, fish, eggs, tofu, and beans and legumes. Incorporating these into your diet can help ensure you're getting high-quality proteins that support your body's needs. Fats are a vital part of a healthy diet, providing energy, absorbing vitamins, and protecting the heart and brain. There are 3 main types of fats. Saturated fats are found in animal products and processed foods, and it's best to limit intake of these fats. Unsaturated fats, found in vegetables, nuts, seeds, and fish, are considered healthy fats. Lastly, trans fats, found in some margarine and processed foods, should be avoided to maintain good health. Let's talk about healthy fats. These are absolutely essential for your body and can be found in foods like avocados, nuts and seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel. Including these in your diet helps support brain function, heart health, and overall well-being. Vitamins are organic compounds crucial for various biochemical processes in your body. They promote healthy functioning and prevent deficiency diseases. Let's break them down a bit. Fat-soluble vitamins, which include vitamins A, D, E, and K, are stored in the body's fatty tissues. On the other hand, water-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin C and the B-complex vitamins, need to be consumed more regularly as they are not stored in the body. For sources, you can get vitamin A from carrots and sweet potatoes, vitamin C from citrus fruits and bell peppers, vitamin D from sun exposure and fortified milk, vitamin E from nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables, and vitamin K from green leafy vegetables, fish, and meat. Moving on to minerals, these inorganic elements are pivotal in supporting bone formation, nerve function, muscle contraction, and various metabolic processes. We categorize them as macrominerals and trace minerals. Macrominerals, which your body needs in larger amounts, include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. Trace minerals needed in smaller amounts encompass iron, manganese, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt, fluoride, and selenium. You can find calcium in milk, cheese, and yogurt, iron in red meat, spinach, and lentils, potassium in bananas, oranges, and potatoes, and magnesium in nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Water is crucial for every system in the body. It helps in maintaining body temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste. The average adult should aim for about 8 cups or 2 liters of water a day. Now, here are some tips for staying hydrated. Carry a water bottle with you. Drink a glass of water before each meal. And don't forget to eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, lettuce, and watermelon. Practical applications of nutrient knowledge include balanced diet planning. Creating a balanced diet plan involves incorporating all 6 essential nutrients in the right proportions to maintain health and prevent deficiencies. Plan your meals to ensure that each meal includes a good mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Aim to color your plate with a variety of colors, which usually means a range of different vitamins and minerals. Don't forget to hydrate adequately by drinking water throughout the day. Now let's look at a case study on planning a balanced meal. Welcome to Module 2, Essential Nutrients for Optimal Health. In this module, we will explore the 6 types of essential nutrients that play pivotal roles in maintaining your health. Understanding these nutrients, their functions, sources, and importance can equip you with the knowledge to make healthier food choices. Proper nutrition is a fundamental aspect of a healthy lifestyle and can prevent a wide range of health issues. Welcome to Module 3, Essential Nutrients and Their Functions. In this module, we'll delve into the 6 essential nutrients that are crucial for maintaining optimal health. These are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Understanding the role each of these nutrients plays is fundamental for making informed dietary choices. Welcome to Module 4, the role of essential nutrients in promoting health and preventing disease. When you think about maintaining good health, your diet plays a crucial role. Essential nutrients are compounds that your body can't produce or produce in sufficient quantity. These nutrients must come from your diet and are vital for normal body function, including growth, immune health, and preventing chronic diseases. This module explores the 6 types of essential nutrients and their importance in maintaining a healthy body.